Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya.
Yo, akekho umuntu onesicefe njengoba lo is continuing to tell us about Ihudi again. Are you like serious right now? For the past 3 days, school mean day one. And then nala manga lo ukuthi that hoodie was actually in the wardrobe. But 4 years later, usasitshela ngaleyo nto like into ka 2014 in 2019 but bayithola leyo hoodie. Those people didn't come into the house. You remember Untanzi said, ukuthi ungaze ngitshela ngomkhulu. Nomukhano labo bantu akazi bangene kwami. It was locked there. Bangena kubo kaba. So that ammunition by Sasip and the hoodie. You still telling us about the same thing over and over again in the Amangaville. Like it's so boring. You know, ngabuqala esinye story today ubaloyi amanyamanga instead of telling us about the hoodie and nalabangana bamaphiqiphiqa abaqoka abangekho right, the ones that grew up with usenzo umthoko no Tumelo Madlala, and then azobe sitshela ngozanti because we figured it out indaba kaZanti. Like I said, mina ngimfuni futhi mhlazana babizwa futhi I don't want there uzusitshela indlo yamuntu ngoba umapopola wayepopola at some stage, but now futhi you saw everything in the sitting room and the kitchen. Please stop with the lies. Guys, today I was just reading a bit Google social media. I realized ukuthi bamdonsa rat. Ayikho into abangambizi ngayo. Basihlala ekhaya umdala in all sorts of things. I'm just like, but he creates those things. He brought them to himself. And uyayithanda social media right, if we can notice. And uyayithanda ukusukelela and touch people and say stuff there about social media. Bese sifuthi yena social media futhi akayibuki. Wazi kumngoma ezulu kulethi mngoma ezulu. So you're gonna be home, you're gonna be watching from social media. Cabang. Like urata guys, must just stop it. Doesn't do yakhe ikanjani. Ifana nekasibuya ngibona General Shadrack Joseph Asby. No, it's the same. How they had to shut him down at Madlanga and be like, please, can you just leave us? What's unabantu umkhwanazi ku social media that are actually bought to say stuff about him. Madlanga, they were just like, we don't care about those things. Those things don't matter to us. It's the same as Urat. I'm telling that. But it's a bit, yeah, people are watching, yeah, she's into social media. In fact, she's because you started saying stuff about people and dragging untanzi engakwenzanga next umntana abantu just because you have power and you're manipulating the whole situation in court and lie. Ngoba ufuna ukuzinto ofuna ukizwa abamdonseleke. They were just like kasike loyo. Khona nothe enelihambi lokho ehamba ikhamisa. Ehamba ikhamisa. It's just like, all right, guys, ukhamise nini? You know what?
You know, Untanzi is not backing down about the beard, right? In Jeb. He's like, please, bro, like, do I have a jab there? Oh, yeah, don't jab me. I was a boy. Like, there's a mustache. Ubaloyi is going crazy, guys. Ubaloyi, he's seeing things that we can't see. I'm just like, guys, Tina, asiboni jab, unubona kanjani? That's mangithi Tina, guys, ngikhuluma nge-defense, you know, my side. The defense, I'm very proud of it. Yeah, so I'm just like, please, just leave Ntanzi alone. Ubaloyi and his cooked pictures, they just had to break it down to him and explain it to him. Listen, bro, it was Ntanzi. Untanzi is like, listen, they had to break it down to him. No, bro, please. My photos, they don't start from 2014, actually. Yeah, around Senzo May was unaliving. No, they start from 2018. Baloyi, that was the end of him. Baloyi's beard story is not working out. Tumelo Madlala, it's just not working out. Baloyi has been trying it. Sometimes it's just like, I didn't have a beard in 2014, please.
Is there a beard on that photo?
There's no beard there, my lord.
There at the chin, do you not see any beard there on the chin?
La esilevini wawuboni jebe lapha?
Mina ngibona.
I don't.
Oh, on that photo?
Mina ngibona ijebe.
No, I don't see any
Kanti
beard.
ijebe yini bakithi ngesizulu mhlambe nithi singazi. Akunajebe.
There's no beard there.
Ingakho naqala ngitsheni ikhona ukuthi ngiyabonga uma ngilandela lesi sithomba zosikhombisa ikhodi.
Hence, I told the court initially that I'm so grateful that we have fetched this picture to show it before the court.
Ngoba ikhodi uyivezele ithombe za 2018 2019.
Because you had already produce 2018-19 photos before this court.
ingakho nje naphambi kwekhoti ngisho ukuthi hayi Nkosi enkantolo ngiyabonga mangivezwa lesi sithombe sami lesi.
That's why I said before this honorable court that I'm so grateful if this picture is now produced before the court.
We just want to show you the original picture that comes from the bank that is attached to exhibit, that's part of exhibit DD1A.
Ngifuna ukukhombisa ukuyisona sithombe i-original phecelezi ukuyisona esivela ebank.
Yeah.
Nansi ke unikezwa sona.
Ungasibeka.
Do you see any beard on the chin?
Ake usho ke ukuthi lana ke kule ndawo ebizwa ngechin kukhona isilebo esibonayo uma ubhekela ku-original. Kukhona intshebe uyibonayo la esilevini.
Akunaniksi lapha Nkosi enkantolo nasi sithombe ukuthi phambi kwekhoti.
There is nothing here, my lord. Here is this picture before this court.
Nasi sithombe phambi khuma ngesithombe nasi phambi kwekhoti.
I'm talking about the photo.
Ingakho ngishilo phambi kwekhoti ngathi ngiyabonga mawungivezela lesi sithombe sami sebheke sika 2013 ngathi ngiyabonga. Lapho ngizofika ngikhombise khona ikhoti Nkosi enkantolo nasi sithombe ngisebo nasi phambi kwekhoti. Yiphi itshebe ngangena 2014?
That's why I said, I still repeat that at the time when you produced this picture, I said, I'm so grateful that you produced it before the court.
Well, we put it to that a picture speaks for itself, that on the picture that's depicted there, there is beard on the chin.
Ngizawuthi kuwe ke siyazikhulumela lesi sithombe. Ngithi mina mshutshisi la kulesi sithombe kukhona intshebe la esilevini.
Awukhulumi lona iqiniso phambi kwekhoti.
You are not telling the truth before this court.
Nesizulu ngayithatha njengehlazo ngithi ihlaza kulona iqiniso lokukhuluma.
In the Zulu culture, if you are not talking the truth like that, I will take it as something that is shameful. It's a shame.
Yes, but
This is not an objection. It's just to update my notes here. The state says the picture speaks for itself. I don't know what is the picture saying in respect of the discussion that has been happening between Mr. Ntanzi and the state. When the state says the picture speaks for itself, I can hear Mr. Ntanzi saying there's no there's no bed there. Then the state says, but the picture speaks for itself. So I don't know what does the picture says, what words are conveyed by the picture, because as I also look at that photo, there is not even an original photo. I've got my own opinion about the photo, but I just want to hear from the state, what is it that the picture is saying?
well, we put the proposition, my lord, that the picture speaks for itself, and that on the picture that is depicted there, one can see beard on the chin.
Ummeli ube phakama nokuthi akucaciswe kahle ukuthi uma umshushisi ethi isithombe siyasikhulumela uchaza ukuthini sikhuluma sithini ngoba siyamuzwa uyakhuluma uNtandi uthi akukho njebe lapha manje umshushisi uchaza ukuthini umethi isithombe siyasikhulumela uthi hayi sisho ukuthi ke isithombe siyakubonisa ukuthi ikhona intshebe lapha.
Mina Nkosi enkantolo ayikho itshebe.
According to me, my lord, there's no beard there.
Sorry, so Mr. Baloyi, you're saying you see a beard on that very picture?
Yes.
And
Hence we
Mr.
say
Ntanzi says there is no beard there.
yes.
Can you show it to some of the councillors here? And then you can show it to me thereafter.
Sorry, on top of that, may I leave off the control, push the point later.
Yeah, fine. That's why I say I don't see it. I'm from FRA, so you show it to the councils, and they don't have to express an opinion about it to this court. Once they have seen it, and once I have seen it, there will be some notation what we are seeing.
Bakhe wafakaza ngabo ngomhla ka-10 kuJune 2025 kuyachaza ukuthi kutholakala ku-page 52 lapho kutholakala imininingwane yonke ephathelene nezithombe imininingwane ngikhuluma ngani ithombe isithombe singakanani ngobukhulu ubude baso ububanzi baso sathathwa ngawuphi umshini sathwetshulwa nini konke lokho leyo mininingwane wabuye futhi ummeli nge-17 zikaFebruwari 2026 waba nethuba lokuthi naye ahlaziye ahole umnumzane Ntanzi ngalolu daba.
So that is settled, Mr. Ramasipiti.
Indeed, Mr. Advocate Baloyi did approach me during the short adjournment
Okay.
and showed me what he has placed on record, and my response to him was as follows, my lord. Example, Exhibit DD4B, which is page 1 thereof. What Mr. Warrant Officer Ndlovu from the TSU in Mpumalanga, who downloaded these photos, was testifying about before we even go there, my lord. What we were given as an Exhibit DD4B is these pictures before the testimony of Warrant Officer Ndlovu. They did not have any metadata. That is the first point. The second point, when he testified, and I believe he was led by my learned colleague, Advocate Sibanda, the only reference to metadata that he was asked of were the dates when the photo was captured, the time, and the DCI, which is the device used to capture a particular photo. But he was never led on the date when, for example, a particular picture was formatted, created, and the like, to determine when the photographs were taken. So some metadata was referred to, my lord. That's the code.
Okay. Yes, sir.
As you could please, my lord.
Ummeli ke uphendula ngokuthi ke akunikeza nje kuphela emva kwesikhathi sayinikezwa izithombe kwathi emva kwesikhathi weza ke uNdlovu wasinikeza nje kuphela imininingwane ukuthi usuku ezathathwa ngale ithombe isikhathi nokuthi kwasetshenziswa sibuphi umshini wokuthwebula izithombe kodwa ke ukuthi ke zabe sezimodifywa noma ke zikwenziwa nini okunye ukuze zibonakale kahle akuzange kunikezwe yonke leyo mininingwane.
Now, if we can continue with the evidence of Constable Sizwe Zungu.
Uma singaqhubeka ke ngobufakazi buka Phoyisa uConstable Sizwe Zungu
As appears on page 32 of the proceedings of 7 September 2023.
sizawuya ekhasini lika 32 ebufakazini bakhe wangomhla zingu-7 kuSeptember
Just on the previous page, on page 31, we've already placed on record his evidence as per line 19, where he testified as follows. Thereafter, he then came back to me that I saw these people. Maybe we should start at line 12. Says it was then the following day, I think it was the Tuesday, in one of the newspapers, I looked at the pictures that were there and I read it. I saw that it was alleged, or it was said that there were two suspects that came in. The other one was wearing something black. The other one had dreadlocks. Then at line 19, thereafter, it then came back to me that I saw these people. I then once again did not take it seriously. I just thought that it is just something that I saw and it is just past. And the last line says, I'm referring to the newspaper. As I was looking at the newspaper, and there were also pictures at the bottom, photos at the bottom. I remember Mafika was wearing a black hoodie. And he says Mafika is accused number 2.
uyaqhubeka ke uthi uMafika umangalelo wesibili.
Do you have any comment, Mr. Ntanzi?
Kukhona ongaphawula ke? Ntanzi uthanda ukuphawula ngalokhu Ntanzi?
Kusebantola kulona iqiniso la.
My lord, that is not true.
UZungu kusekade ngiqala ukumbona lapha ecourt.
I started seeing Zungu here in court.
Nangelilodwa ilanga ngaphandle azange ngabona uZungu.
Not even for a single day did I see Zungu outside there.
Now, yesterday we showed you a picture of the identity kit as per Exhibit BB that appeared in the newspaper, which will be shown on the screen just now.
Izolo sekukhombiseke ithombe obekufuna ukuthi kwaziwe ngabo abasolwa noma umsolwa ubufakazi BB ilese ngikukhombisa sona ke manje escreenini ilese zazikhona phephandaba.
Yeah, ngiyasibona.
Yes, I see them.
Then Constable Zungu continues. Constable Zungu at line 7. And when I spoke to him and that Mafika changed this hoodie whilst I was at the hostel, but that made me to be suspicious, but did not take me anywhere. And at line 10, we then asked him that you mentioned that according to the report and the newspaper, one had dreadlocks. Just elaborate on that. Then Constable Zungu, dreadlocks and gold teeth. Then the interpreter says the witness is pointing right at the top of his lip, a mustache. Then Constable Zungu, mustache, and that made me to look at accused 2 and said that this person that has been described here resembles him, although I would not say that exactly, but the description resembled him.
Awake siqhubeke ku line 7 ubufakazi bakhe uZungu uthi uma ngikhuluma naye okungukuthi uMafika ushintshe ihudu ngenkathi ngise-hostel lokho kwangenza ngaba nokusola kodwa-ke kwakuzange kungise ndawo uyabuza umshushisi wayesethi-ke ukhuluma ngokuthi ngokusho umbiko wephephandaba omunye wayenama-dreadlocks ake wenabe kulokho kusho umshushisi etshela uZungu. uZungu wathi wayenama-dreadlocks kanye nezinyo legolide noma amazinyo egolide ngokuthi teeth amazinyo egolide. Umhumushi noma uTolika wayesephawula ethi ufakazi ukhomba ngasesandleni sokudla ngaphezu kwendebe yakhe ngasesandleni sokudla ukhombisa ukuthi umuntu ukhombisa i-moustache. uZungu wachubeka-ke wayesethi i-moustache ingenze ngabheka ummangalelo wesibili ngabona ukuthi lo muntu ochazwa la ufana naye kodwa-ke angeke ngisho ukuthi ncamashi kodwa le ncazelo ifana naye.
Then we asked him which description, the interpreter pointing to the mustache, and Constable Zungu, the mustache, the hoodie, and the manner in which he was wearing it, and the manner in which he trenched it inside. That made me to then say, but I saw these people, but as to where I saw them, then there was an intervention.
Aqhubeka ke umshushisi wathi yiphi lencazelo uma uthi lencazelo yiphi lencazelo ebuza uZungu uTolike wayesekhomba ke imoustache uZungu wathi imoustache ihudu nendlela futhi ayigqoke ngayo angibabonile laba bantu kodwa ukuthi ngibabone kuphi kwase kuba khona ke ukuphazamiseka ke la inkulumo ayisabhalwanga yaphelele.
Do you have any comment?
Ungathanda ukuphawula na ngaloko sofundele kona?
Nkosi enkantolo akulona iqiniso lela.
It is not true, my lord.
Nkosi enkantolo mina uZungu angimazi. Azange sasadibana noZungu nangaphandle angelanga elilodwa.
I do not know Zungu at all. We never met even for a single day outside there.
Ngiphinde ngikulesi sithombe esikhonjisa inkosi enkantolo lapha esiclingeni.
I'll go back to the picture shown on the screen before court.
Nkosi enkantolo lesi sithombe ngisibona la sinetshebe enkulu sinoswayini.
And this picture that I see here,
Sinamarasta.
it has a big beard. It's got a soul patch. Amarasta usho in.
Nakho lokho kuvela phakathi kwetrox ukuthi amarasta ngithi la vela lana side.
And on the side, beneath this hoodie, I see the so-called Rastas.
Manje mina nkosi enkantolo kungazala baze ngenze irasta okokuqala nje.
And firstly, I want to say I never made ukwenze Rasta usho yini ufuna uyibeka kahle.
Irasta njengaleli irasta yokukhanya into irasta.
Sholo.
Ngithi irasta mina ngazi mhlambe.
Ama-thread.
Yeah, ngibiza ngerasta.
I never made Rastas, meaning I never made dreads, my lord.
Okwesibili nkosi enkantolo azange ngifake igolide.
And furthermore, my lord, I never inserted gold. Usho igolide kuphi?
Emazinyeni.
I'm referring to gold teeth.
Okugcina nkosi enkantolo 2014 ngangena jele.
And last, my lord, in 2014, I had no beard.
Manje lekulunya khunya phambi kwekhoti angiyazi ukuthi kahle kahle iyakuphi mangikhuliswa ngalesi sithombe lesi siphambi kwekhoti.
And all this vision that is being placed before the court, I do not know what is it leading to.
Yes.